Get ready to save big with Poulsbo RV's volume dealer prices. Plus, when you buy from us, you'll receive our exclusive 5-star priority RV service.
Hi, I'm Liz. We're looking at the Novo model number NB16.6. Let's go take a look.
Just like a brochure, this video is just a representation of the manufacturer's floor plan. For every RV made, just like a home, there are many variations of features, options, colors, fabrics, and other specifications. So, it's important to contact a Poulsbo RV team member for actual details about this floor plan. Take note of the clever ways the manufacturer has used every possible space for storage. Of course, we can't show you everything on this short video. You really have to come in and see for yourself to fully appreciate all that this Poulsbo RV has to offer.
Save with Poulsbo RV's volume dealer prices. Plus, when you buy from us, you'll receive our exclusive 5-star priority RV service. Poulsbo RV, your local family-owned RV dealer.